Hi friends, this is GK Naidu. Today we are going to discuss about the static structural analysis for a bracket mechanical component. So first, just start button, click on the start button. And before going to make the particular analysis, first you have to install the ANSYS 2023 or 24. Okay, in our ANSYS 2023, that you choose that. So that is the ANSYS workbench application is there. So you have to choose the workbench 2023. So then when you have to double click the workbench, then the window will open here like this. So this is the window will appear while double click on the particular ANSYS 2023. So in this, so now we are going to take the static structural analysis. Just you have to make this, that is the static structural analysis. Just double click here. Okay. So when we select on the static structural analysis, then it may also display the this toolbox. So that is the in our project schematic. So that is the there are some phases are there for doing the static structural analysis. Those are the engineering data and geometry, model and setup, solutions and results. So actually in earlier, these are three types of stages are there. Those are the pre-processing stage and processing stage and post-processing stage. But come to this place, come to the point. So in our mechanical APDL 2023, so let they change the small amendment, that is the phases. So that phases is that is the okay. So that is the material properties will be given into the engineering data, and the geometry details and the geometry construction is also in our geometry and model. So model related, that means analysis will be started on the meshing related things. So that meshing will be happen in our model phase and setup. So that is the our setup phase. You should also give the fixed supports, that means the boundary conditions, and our solution will also give you the solution phase, and results is also there. Results is the post processing. So these are the phases have gone through the in our static structural analysis. Now come to the point, that is the engineering data. So just right click on that engineering data, just edit option is there. So actually, there are okay, good library are there for choosing the materials in our engineering data sources. So that is the automatically it would have the taken the one material, that is the structural steel. And if you want to take the some more materials, that is the composite materials are also available. And metals, okay. Structural stuff, aluminum, so ceramics, those all are available in our material. Okay. So now let me choose this one, that is the structural steel. So just there is an arrow is there. So in our this particular row, so that is that arrow. Just click on that arrow and apply that. After the applying the material, then come to this place, that is the project place. Now so in this place, now geometry, just right click So come to the next phase, that is the geometry. Here, if you are having the any inputted, okay, so let me take the directly that inputting of the particular geometry. While you should also choose the some types of modeling packages are there. Those are the discovery geometry, space plane geometry, and the design modeler geometry is there. So now I am choosing the our browsing of the particular component. Already I have created the samples. So that is the our browsing. So just browse that and bracket.igs is there. So let me take the one bracket analysis. So that is the bracket and open. So it may takes to some time for loading of the particular ANSYS model application. So that is also depends on the on our system configurations also. Just let me take some time. So after importing the geometry, so then let you double click on the model phase. So then it may displace the this particular model. Okay, modeling of the particular analysis software. So that would be seems to be like this. So now the bracket is arrived here. So so it seems to be some different. So let me change the directions. So that is the this is the way it is there. Yes, this is the uh, a hanging type of the bracket up there. Okay, now come to this place. So there is an outline is there. So in this place, just have a look here. So modeling is also okay, done here. Now we are going to make sorry modeling. In our modeling, main aim is that to do the some meshing of the particular component. So before going to make the meshing, so just we do that. That is the object is there. Just select that in this object with the help of this object type and mesh. So that mesh is just click on the right side click, generate the mesh. So meshing is done. But so that meshing size is some very bit okay, some high. So if you want to reduce the that meshing size, so let me do that by the help of mesh activities are there in our modeling package. So just let you take that mesh is there, that sizing is there. So just you have to choose the that sizing and geometry. Just select the object and apply. Body is there and element size and the default element size that is the just 2 mm. For example, it's done. Now again make the generate. So if you are observing that this is the okay, this will also appear. What will happen? Okay, so that is ready to that. So that meshing is also done at this place. Just have a look. So compare with the earlier work, it's fine. So that meshing is fine. And type of meshing is a triangular type of meshing. Okay, now it's fine here. So after completion of meshing, so now let me provide the some uh, boundary conditions. That means where you have to fix the object and where you have to apply the forces. So that is will be considered by the help of the start this one. So that is the analysis setting place. That is the just right side click and insert that. In our insert, just we have to give the particular fixed support value and insert force also. So that is the force. In this, so now let me give the those values. That is the fixed support. So just select this one and geometry. So that geometry means, so just have a look here. So that is the type of face selection. Just you have to select the face selection. And now just click on the control button. Yes, now just hold that particular button. That is the control button and select these faces. So how many faces are there? Just apply that. Six faces are there. Yes, six faces there for the particular fixed support. Now going to give the force value. So that force value is also given. So that is the when we are click on the force value, so then that will be appeared here. So where we have to apply that particular force. So this is the hanging type of bracket are there. So now let me choose that. This is the upper surface. Okay, apply that and applied by. So type of the force type is the force and vector is the vector and components. So just you have to choose the components. So why? Because in a particular surface, you need not to assign the direct force value. So components, when you are choosing the component, then you should also assign the particular loads. So here, in which direction are we going to apply the particular forces? So that is the Z direction, and I'm choosing the Z direction. So that is the our minus Z direction minus equals to 25 star 9.81. So and direction is minus. Just apply that. So after giving that forces, now going to see that is the results. So that is the results are what type of results that we give here. So that is the deformation, total deformation, and one is stresses, equivalent stresses. So you want to see the only those values. So now going to choose the solve. It takes to some time. So already loading. So mathematical calculations are running now. Hit the background. It's done. Just have a look. It's done now. So this is the our equivalent stresses. So maximum stress value is the 341.9 megapascals. Okay, where we are getting the maximum stress, just let me rotate this one. So this place, if the particular bracket is going to fail, now that breaking point has started, that initiated from this place. So this place is the generally happen that breaking point. And now let me see the total deformation values. So the deformation maximum value is 3 mm. Okay, that 3 mm is also coming, okay, at the free end of the bracket. So this place. So these are the deformation, total deformation, and total equivalent stresses, formation stresses will arrive here while applying the particular boundary conditions. Okay, guys, I hope you will enjoy this video and understand the total concept. Thank you, guys.